Hey everyone, Brian from WorkshopAddict.com, and we are giving away a Ryobi Devour sweeper for our next Workshop Addict Tool Bucket List giveaway. This unit's going to be given away on March 15th, so subscribe to our channel so you can see that drawing. It's also available on social media, so you can get in on Instagram and Facebook. So to get into this one, very simple. All I need you to do is in the comments below on YouTube, tell me what you would use this for. And if you wouldn't use it, that's fine too. You can say, hey, have no need. Hashtag Workshop Addict. I don't need to know backstory. I don't need to know anything else. Just tell me what would you use this for. And if you don't know what you'd use it for, you can also just say, hey, I think it would work well for this. Because there's a lot of things out here that this would work for that nobody's even thinking about. One of them for us was at a gun range. You think about all the small ammunition casings that are sitting down there. This would go in, sweep them up. You wouldn't have a lot of that powder on your hands and anything else. Be kind of cool for that. But there's a lot more ideas out there like that people aren't thinking about for this little guy. So if you haven't seen our review of it, go back, watch our video on it. It's a pretty cool little sweeper. Has a few little intricacies to it to really make it work nice. You just have to learn the machine as you're using it. So get into this drawing. Make sure you subscribe. Give us a like on this video. Share it with your friends. Thanks for your time, guys. Have a great day.